Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw ice cream buddies. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. Let's start by sketching the picture. First, draw a little strawberry along the dotted lines. Next, draw the top scoop of ice cream. Then, add the eyes and mouth. Next, draw the bottom scoop of ice cream. Follow the lines gently. Now, let's add the cone right at the bottom. Don't forget to add a cute smiley face. Last step, draw the arms and legs to make it look like it's walking happily. Alright, let's start coloring. Begin by coloring the strawberry red. Color the stem green. Let's color the yummy topping with yellow. Let's make round cheeks and light red so it looks super cute. Let's color the top scoop with green. Add some cheeks to the second scoop too. Then, color the ice cream light pink, it might be strawberry flavor. Last step, color the cone in light brown. all done! How does it look? Super cute, right? You can try drawing it again and change the ice cream color to your favorite flavor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.